Hello student, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about class 10th physics topic image formation by mirrors. Dear students, there are two type of image formed by mirrors. First is real image and second is virtual image. Real image means in which light rays after reflection really emits, and in case of virtual image light rays after reflection appears to be emit. Let's take an example to understand about what type of image is real and what type of image is virtual image. Dear student, suppose we take concave mirror. Dear students, in case of concave mirror reflecting surface is inverse, and in case of convex mirror reflecting surface is outwards. This is principal axis. We have already discussed about in our previous videos. Suppose any light ray is passing parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it goes through focus of a concave mirror. In this case, light rays after reflection really passing through focus. And in case of convex mirror, this is principal axis. Suppose we travel any ray parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, light rays appears to coming from focus of the mirror. So here in this case light rays after reflection really meeting at focus. So this mirror forms real image, and in this case light rays after reflection appears to be coming from focus. So convex mirror, when light rays coming from parallel, convex mirror makes virtual image and concave mirror makes real image. To understand about real image and virtual image, we are identifying that in case of real image, light rays after reflection really meeting at a point. And in case of convex mirror, light rays after reflection appears to coming from focus. So this type of image is virtual image and this type of image is real image. Dear students, to understand about real and virtual image, real image always forms at the left side of the mirror. This is left of the pole. You can take example of coordinate geometry. Suppose this is pole, this side is right side and this side is left side. Dear students, real image always forms left of the pole and virtual image always forms right of the pole. This is virtual image and from pole it is right side. So real image in which light rays after reflection really meets, and real image forms always left of the mirror, left side. In case of virtual image means virtual image in which light rays after reflection appears to be meets, and virtual image always form at the right of the mirror. Dear students, real image is always inverted. Real image is always inverted image and virtual image is always erect image. It means that all the images which will form at the left of the mirror will be inverted, real inverted, and all the image will which will be forming at the right of the mirror always virtual and erect. Got it? This is the difference between real image and virtual image. Real image means in which light rays after reflections really meets, and real image always form left of the pole and real image is inverted. Three difference: real image is in which light rays after refraction really meets and real image is inverted. Real image always forms at the left of the pole. And virtual image means in which light rays after reflection appears to be meet. Virtual image always form at the right of the mirror and virtual image is erect image. Dear students, now we will discuss about Image formation by concave and convex mirror and nature of the image. Nature means what type of image is this? Real image, virtual image. To understand about this, first we will take example of concave mirror. Dear students, this is concave mirror. Concave mirror means in which reflecting surface is inverts. This is reflecting surface of the mirror. And this is principal axis. We have already discussed about principal axis, focus, pole, center of curvature, this and this. This is focus of a mirror. And this point is center of curvature. First, we travel light from infinite. Suppose any object is infinite. In case of infinite, infinite means very far from the mirror. In case of infinite, we do not put any object on the principal axis. It means that light is coming from very far from the mirror. First case, when object is at infinite. When object is at infinite, it means that object is not on the principal axis. Light rays will be coming from very far from the mirror. Suppose light coming from parallel, it means that after reflection light goes through focus. Whenever we find image formation of any object, then we through or travel light rays two or more than two light rays. In this case, again, suppose we are throwing second light rays parallel to the principal axis because light is coming very far from the mirror. Again, light after reflection will travel through focus. So here, light rays meeting at the points of focus. This is left of the mirror. So nature of the image is, dear student, nature of image. We have already discussed left side. All the images which will be forming at left of the mirror will be real image. Real is always inverted. So nature of image is real and inverted. And this is at the front of the mirror. This image is at the front of the mirror, means left side of image is always at the front of the mirror and right side of the image is always behind the mirror. So second is image is formed at the left of the mirror. Left of mirror. First, nature of the image is real and inverted. Image is left of the mirror. Second, size of the image. Size of the image is very small. So we can write size of image is diminished. Diminished means very small. Size of the image is diminished. So we have to know about image formation. We can say that all the images which will form at the left of the mirror will be always real inverted, and size of the image we will discuss at next topic. Suppose in case of convex mirror, dear students, now in case of convex mirror, this is convex mirrors in which reflecting surface is outwards. In this case, reflecting surface is outward. And in case of convex mirror, suppose we want to know about image formation when object is at infinite. Infinite means object is not on the principal axis. It means light rays will come very far from the mirror. Light is coming from parallel to the principal axis, and we know that after reflection light rays appears to come from the focus. This is focus, and again this is parallel line. After reflection light rays appears to come from the focus. So here light rays after reflection meeting at right of the mirror. All the images which are formed at right of the mirror is always virtual. So here nature of image. First, because light rays after reflection meeting at the right of the mirror, so image is virtual. image is virtual, and virtual image is always erect. Virtual and erect. Virtual image is always erect. So nature of the image is virtual and erect. Second, real light, right of the mirror. In this case, in the place of right, you can write behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. And in case of left, you can write at front of mirror. At front of mirror. So in case of convex mirror, when object is at infinite, nature of the image is virtual and erect, because light rays after reflection appears to coming from the right side. When light rays after reflection meet at left of the mirror, it means when light rays after reflection meet at left of the mirror, then nature of the image is real inverted, light rays really meeting, and always light rays meets after reflection really at the left side. Left side of the mirror is real inverted. At the front of the mirror, size of image is diminished. Diminished means very small. And in case when light rays after reflection appears to meet, then image, nature of the image is virtual and erect. And virtual erect image always form behind. It means right of the, behind the mirror means right of the mirror. Behind the mirror means right of the mirror. And this size of image is again in case of convex mirror is diminished, means very small. You can write diminished or very small. Dear student, in case of convex mirror, we take our object only two places. First is at infinite, and second any points from the pole. Second condition, any points from the pole. Dear student, this is again convex mirror. This is principal axis, pole. In case of convex mirror, we can put our object any place on the principal axis, because in case of convex mirror, at the left side, not any points of center of curvature, focus, between center, because focus and center of curvature of the object is at right of the mirror. So in case of convex mirror, whenever we put our object any places, suppose this is the point of object. In this case, image formed by the mirror is, suppose light is traveling parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, light appears to come from focus. Second point, to form image of any object, dear students, always we through or travel two or more than two light rays. So now we will travel second ray. Second ray, suppose we want to pass it through center of curvature. This is the direction of center of curvature, and after reflection, light rays appears to come from again center of curvature. So here point of meeting is this. In case of convex mirror, whenever we put our object any places from the pole, image formed by the object is between focus and pole. Here again image is at right of the mirror. So nature is all the images which formed at right of the mirror are always virtual and erect. Light ray after refraction appears to meet, and behind the mirror. Right means behind the mirror. So nature is first virtual. Dear student, virtual image is always erect. Virtual and erect. Second case, right of the mirror means right of the mirror, you can write behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. And third is image is smaller than the object. Is smaller than the object. In case of convex mirror, we have only two positions of the objects. First is at infinite. In case of infinite, nature of the image is virtual and erect. Behind the mirror, very small. Virtual and erect, because light rays after reflection appears to meet at the right of the mirror, and at the right of the mirror always forms virtual and erect image. If light rays after reflection meets at left of the mirror, in that case image is real and inverted. And at the front of the mirror you can write size of the image will be determined after the light rays, after the meeting of light rays. These are only two cases in case of convex mirror. Dear students, in case of convex mirror always form virtual and erect image, and virtual and erect image always form at the right of the mirror. Now we will discuss about concave mirror, other cases of concave mirror. In case of concave mirror, we can put our object in many places. In many places means first place was at infinite. Second, now we will discuss about second case. Dear students, listen carefully. This is concave mirror. In case of concave mirror, position of the objects may be different, because in case of concave mirror, focus center of curvatures of the mirror is left of the mirror is left side. So in this case, first position of the object was at infinite. Now we can put our object beyond center of curvature. After that we can put our object at center of curvature. After that we can put our object between center of curvature and focus. After that we can put our object at focus. And after that we can put our object between focus and pole. In case of concave mirror, first position was at infinite, second is beyond center of curvature, third is at center of curvature, fourth between center of curvature and focus, fifth is this, and sixth is this. In case of concave mirror, there are 7 positions of the object at which we can find position of the image, where will be image formed. So now we will discuss about when object is at beyond center of curvature, what will be position of the image. Second case is beyond, you can write beyond C. Beyond C means when object is at beyond center of curvature. To form image of the objects, we always travel 2 light rays. Without 2 light rays, we cannot determine where is the object where will be image of the object formed. To know about where image will form when object is at beyond center of curvature, dear students, we will discuss first ray. Suppose we are throwing any light parallel to the principal axis. This is parallel to principal axis. We know that after reflection, light rays travel through focus of a concave mirror. Now second light rays, suppose we are traveling light rays second through center of curvature. This is second light ray. Center of curvature, in case of center of curvature, light rays bounce back to the same path. So where 2 light rays after reflection really meets or appears to be meets, that is the position of the image. Here light rays after reflection meeting at this point. So this is the position of the image. Position of image is between C and F. Dear student, suppose we want to write nature of the image. To understand about this, we know that left side of the mirror, when light rays after reflection meet at left side, it means that image formed is real and inverted. So this image is real and inverted. Real image always inverted, real and inverted image. And this is left side. In case of left side, we can write image is at front of the mirror. Second nature is image is at front of mirror. Image is at front of mirror. You can write image is left side of the mirror. And third nature means what is the size of the image. In this case, size of image is smaller than object. You can write size of image is smaller than the object. These are the nature of the mirrors, dear students. This is very important topics of image formation of mirrors. This was this is second point when object is at center of curvature, and nature of the image when object is at center of curvature, beyond center of curvature, then nature of the image, what type of image will form, then nature of image is real inverted, because light rays after reflection meeting at the left side always form real and inverted image, and left side we can say that in case of left side image is at front of the mirror, and size of the object, what type of image will form when object size is this, size of image is smaller than the object. Now suppose we want to discuss about third case, dear student, when object is third means at center of curvature. Now we want to discuss about at center of curvature. This is concave mirror, and this principal axis, focus, this is center of curvature. Suppose our object is at center of curvature. Again we want to discuss about what type of image will form when object is at center of curvature. To know about image of the object, we always travel two light rays or more than two light rays. Suppose first ray is principal, parallel to principal axis. We know that rule of the concave mirror, when any light rays passes through parallel to the principal axis, after reflection light rays goes through focus of the object. This is first rule. Second, suppose we are traveling light rays through focus, and after refraction, in this case light rays goes parallel to the principal axis. So now where light rays after reflection, where two or more than two light rays after reflection meet or appears to be meet, that is the position of the image. Here is light rays meeting at that point. So this is the position of the image. This is position of image. So now we want to know about nature of the image. Again, nature. First case, dear student, because light rays after reflection meeting at left side. So in case of left side, image forms real inverted. Left of the mirror always form real and inverted image, and right of the mirror always form virtual and erect image. So nature is image is real inverted. First nature is real and inverted image. Second, we have to discuss about image is front of the mirror or behind the mirror. Left side image means front of mirror, right side image means behind the mirror. So here is image is at front of the mirror. Image is at front of the mirror. Image is at front of mirror. And third is, what is the size of the image? When object is at center of curvature, then size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Size of image is equal to size of object. This is very important case. When object is at center of curvature, then size of object and size of image always remains equal. So now, dear student, next case we will discuss about when object is at between C and F. Listen carefully. When object is at between C and F, when object is at between, dear student, this is concave mirror and this is principal axis. We want to discuss about when object is at C and F. Now this is the position of the object. To discuss about this, first light ray we will travel parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, light goes through focus of the mirror. Light rays after reflection coming at the left of the mirror. Second, we travel through focus, and in this case light rays after reflection goes parallel to the principal axis. Now light rays these two light after reflection meeting at this point. Position of this point is beyond C. So again, suppose we want to discuss about nature of this object. Light rays meeting at the left side. So always at left side image will be real and inverted. In this case, in this type of case, image is real and inverted because at left side of the mirror, image is at front of the mirror. Left side means front of the mirror. Again, left front of the mirror. Size of the object is size of the image. In this case, size of image is higher than the object. So we will write size of image is greater than the object. Yes, student, in this case, size of the image is greater than the object. And now, so next case, when object is at focus. These are very important discussion of image formation of the concave mirror. Very important topics. When object is at again focus, it means that first light will travel through parallel to the principal axis. After parallel to the principal axis, light rays travel to this. And suppose second light rays we are throwing in the direction of center of curvature, light rays coming this. When object is at infinite, when object is at focus, then image of the object forms at infinite. Means light rays do not intersect each other. In this case, nature is again because image is forming at left of the mirror. It means that left of the mirror is real and inverted. Means image is real and inverted. Image is at front of the mirror, and size of the size of image is very high. Size of the image in this case very high. Last case of this mirror is, dear students, when object is at focus and pole. When object is at between focus and pole. This is concave mirror and center of curvature. This is pole, focus, center of curvature. We want to discuss about when object is at between P and F. In this case, this is exceptional case of concave mirror. Concave mirror always form real and inverted image. But only one case, when object is at between P and F, concave mirror forms virtual and erect image. How form virtual and erect image? We will discuss. First, we throw parallel to the principal axis. Here, our object is at between P and F. After reflection, light rays goes through focus. And suppose second light ray we are throwing in the direction of center of curvature. Center of curvature, we know that in case of center of curvature, light rays goes in the same direction, opposite to the center. These rays are diverging rays. Diverging rays never meet each other. So in this case, we draw our line, ray of light at the right side. And we find that light rays meeting at right of the mirror. This is the position of the image at the right of the mirror. In this case, we are already discussing that all the images which are forming at the right of the mirrors are always virtual and erect. So in this case, nature of images, first virtual and erect, because image is at right side, virtual and erect. Second, what is the position? Behind the mirror or at the front of the mirror? Because this is right side means behind the mirror, and image is at behind the mirror. Third case, dear students, in this case, size of the image is greater than object. Size of image is greater than the object. Dear students, these are various conditions of the image formed by concave and convex mirror. You have to discuss, you have to learn about it, and you have to try in your copies. how image formed when object is at infinite center of curvature, focus between center of curvature and center of curvature and focus between P and F. In case of convex mirror, there are only two positions. First is at infinite and second is at any point. With the help of these image formation, numericals of the chapters we can easily calculate. In case of numerical, dear students, in case of numerical, always question remain in the form of draw the ray diagram of this after this numerical. So dear students, to solve your numericals, you have to knowledge about all these position and conditions of the mirrors. After then you can calculate very easily of your numericals. So this was the today's topic. Please try all these conditions of the concave and convex mirror and remember what is real image, what is virtual image. Real image is always inverted. You have to learn real image always form at the left of the mirror, virtual image always form at the right of the mirror. And in case of real image, light rays after reflection really meet, and in case of virtual image, light rays after reflection appears to be. This is the today's topic, and you have to try in your fair copies and drop copies with the help of your books. And we will discuss in your next topic numerical of the mirrors, how numericals we can solve very easily with the help of image formation. Thank you.